Hello, my name is Sheila Halliday, and I'm going to go over Enhancement 3. In this video, we are starting with the VS Code. This is the index PHP that's in the accounts folder. That is our controller. As we can see down starting at line 23, we have all of the switch actions, and we have the login view, the register, and the home. We're going to go ahead from here and view it in our browser. Now we have it in our browser. We have the My Account right over here. It is now a link that I can click on, and it will take me into where somebody could sign in. We're going to go ahead and validate the CSS and HTML. The error shown on here, you said the week prior were fine. There's no code on that line. Now we're going to do the HTML. And we have no errors here. From the login page, if someone needs to sign up, the sign up link is right here where it says sign up. You click it, and it now takes us up where they put in their first name, last name, email, and password, and a submit. We are going to go ahead and validate. Should be the same on this. Yeah, it's pulling from the same CSS code. The HTML for this page. And we have no errors here. I believe that was all that I needed to show you, is that my pages are linked between the sign up and the account, and that everything was set up correctly from this control page, in which we opened up into the browser, which shows us the home page. So thank you very much.